Hey, it's Joseph from Magic Touch USA. Today, I'm going to show you the Magic Touch cooling block. Now, this cooling block's made for short and medium run solutions, 1 shirt, 5 shirts, 15 shirts. It helps cool down the transfer really quickly. If you're doing a whole bunch of shirts, like 150, 200 shirts, you can lay them off the side, let them cool off like that. But this is made for a quick process of just help cooling off white toner transfers, DTF transfers, heat transfer vinyl, glitter, metallic holograms. It cools off in seconds other than minutes, okay? Let me show you how it's done on one of the most trickiest ones, which is a white toner transfer. This is the 2-step laser dark that we have on our website. We've already done the first step. Now we're gonna press it onto a t-shirt. Now normally you'd be pressing this for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds, you would have to wait for a good minute to minute and a half before it really cools off, and then take it off. The DTF and white toner and even vinyl notorious for making sure it's a cold peel. Now, with a white toner transfer, you take it off, you grab your trusty cooling block, and you just put it right on top. And what's great about it is once it's done, you just, boom, perfect. You didn't have to wait or anything like that. And it's perfectly done, looks great, no issues at all. Now, what's great about the cooling block is it's still cold. You know, considering it just hit something that's hot and warm, it is still cold to the touch. So you can keep using it over and over and over again. Now remember, cooling block is awesome, quick, medium run solutions. It helps save you time and in turn point saves you money, okay? Any questions you have, click on the link below. It'll lead you directly to the website to buy the cooling block. Any other questions, just give us a call and we'll help you out. Thank you.